If you need to cool a room as soon as possible, the first question you have to address is whether you want to buy a window air conditioner or a portable AC unit. A portable air conditioner is the best route if you can't install a window air conditioner in your space because of design limitation or building restrictions. It's also a better pick if you like a mobile air conditioner unit that can be moved from room to room or stored away at the end of the season. When deciding whether or not to buy a portable air conditioner, some questions related to portable air conditioning unit may be introduced. Are portable air conditioner as good as window units? If you have the ability to window mount, you are likely going to have a more success cooling a room. You may be able to find comparable portable AC unit to those that have to be wall or window mounted, but you are likely going to pay more for them. While portable air conditioners are meant to be easier to move anywhere else, as they are on wheels after all. Apart from this, portable air conditioner having some drawbacks too. Because of the exhaust hose necessary for venting, they are not portable as one may imagine. Portable AC units take up floor space, so it's important to make sure you have the extra square footage for one. You have to place the unit away from walls, so the air is not restricted, but that will likely mean a longer hose and more space taken up, which is another drawback, as they require an exhaust tube to be removed and reinstalled each time it is moved to another space. For proper efficiency, you need to make sure that exhaust hose is as straight as possible, as kinks can limit the effectiveness. Do portable air conditioner have to be vented out the window? The answer is yes. A portable AC does not work without an exhaust hose. They have to be vented the outside because they are extracting the hot air that you want to release outside of the room. You can choose to vent through a window, wall, ceiling or even door. Since there are no portable AC without an exhaust hose, you may want to consider an evaporator cooler if you want a portable unit with no venting to the outside. They require a large amount of water to cool the space and are ideal in dry climates where humidity levels are low and the air is hot. So this is all about basics of portable air conditioner. Hope this will be helpful for you.